Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Jordan's Community Center, and in this episode, we're going to be taking a look at how to send super high quality pictures on WhatsApp. And yes, I'm not using the tripod today because I feel a little free world. Yes, so today, be sure to like, subscribe, share at the beginning of this video. Yes, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We only have a few, which is like at least 10% of viewers who are subscribed that watch our content daily. So please subscribe. And let's make sure our WhatsApp is fully up to date before going there. We click our WhatsApp icon, let it open up. This is my mom's phone that I'll be doing it on. Then we click there, click settings, then we scroll down, see storage and data, click that. Use if you're on Wi-Fi, use less data for calls, which means unlimited Wi-Fi access. If you don't, then just leave it as is. Obviously, now you're gonna click the look for the best photo, the media upload quality. See it set there. We click the best quality and click OK. Now you'll get the best photo qualities because WhatsApp really degrades the stuff. As you can see, it really compresses and degrades the stuff a lot. So I guess that would be it for this today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for being notified more. If you really like this video, send me some feedback, say thanks, and let me know how this been in your life. If you're an influencer or something that requires you to send a lot of photos and the photos really get degraded, click this option on. And I bet you this, a lot of people do not know about this option. So share and tell a friend and make their friends tell their friends. And don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time.